start anything, before I start anything, let me tell you something, guys. This YouTube channel is not for my face, for the way I look, or whatnot. This is for you to make money because you're in trouble. Okay? I had to start with some intro that was wow, shabuji. You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys, you know it is one and only Edlin Motamai. As you know, this is the money channel. Money, money, money. Lots of money in the rich man's world. Please make sure to like and subscribe and put a comment down below and tell your friends about me, because I'm all the way from Johannesburg, by the way. Joburg, South Africa, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so today I am going to be telling you apps that I used that are survey generated only apps that give you big money. Not actually big money, I won't lie to you. It was probably $20. But at least it's something. Okay, so at least you need to download 4 or 5, but I'm going to give you the top 10 that I used. Okay, I put them all together, and then what I did is that I pushed and make sure you're getting SD card, guys. If you're from Samsung, if you're an iOS, then you don't need an SD card, you understand. But when you Samsung, you need to give it up that 80 rand or 100 rand. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to tell you regarding to survey sites. Now the reason why I wrote it is because I've got so many sites on my head, guys. I've got 5 phones. Imagine 5 phones for all these things. Okay, the first one I tried was Triaba. Okay, they do give you $2.80, which, or £2, yes, or £4, it depends. Triaba. Okay, I tried it and I did get my pounds, pounds. Woo, yes. So it's surveys, guys. So you just sign up for Triaba. The next one is Free Cash. Now with Free Cash, what happens is that you get paid surveys and offers you up to the $5 threshold, whereby you can take out after $5 and put it into your PayPal. What you need to do, guys, with all these apps, don't just go throw it towards your account. You know, just throw it. Just try and accumulate all the money and then send it through towards your bank account, okay, in PayPal. Okay. So the next one is Survey Time. It was $1 per survey, but it's okay. You can try, and you know, the more you work, the more you get paid. Okay. YCNs. Oh, I don't like YCNs, guys, but then I'll just put it there. It was very slow for me. Okay. Also, Swagapol. Swagapol was very slow for me. I did not like it. Okay. Also Survey Llama, you can try that on the website. I don't think it has an app, but I was doing it via website with my laptop. You can also do Price Rebel. I did try Price Rebel and I got about $25. It's got a $5 threshold. Okay, so you can help with that. Surveo, South Africa, if you want something in rands, quick, and it has a scale, you can go up to 400, 800, or 1,000 rand. It's Surveo. It's online. Okay, you can just place it online. And if you do not have Wi-Fi, guys, or data, what you need to do is that you need to go to free Wi-Fi ports, whether it's in CBD of Johannesburg or Soweto or anywhere. Free Wi-Fi ports every day. Take a train for about 6 rand, 8 rand, and go and push. Okay. Now also there's Time Bucks. I'm okay with Time Bucks, but it's not my favorite. And then the last one is Tuluna Influencers, which I got about $25, which starts from the threshold of $8. Okay. And this was my honest opinion, guys. Guys, if you're going to take this information and do nothing about it, then don't subscribe. But if you're going to take this information and do something about it, take that train. If you're from South Africa, go to those free Wi-Fi ports in the libraries. I will let you all know the free Wi-Fi ports. It's just that I want to collect all of them from all of South Africa, but piece by piece. Okay. But anyways, I love you so much, guys. Make sure you go and download Time Bucks. Survey Year. Oh, I forgot about Survey Year. This UK pound. You'll need to do that one. It starts from £3. Okay. Triaba, Free Cash, Survey Time, YSense, Survey Llama, Prize Rebel, and Survio. If you need me to spell them, please tell me in the comment section so I can go spell it for you, okay? Because at the end of the day, I understand. My accent is too much. Okay, bye guys. As I said, guys, please make sure you subscribe so I can continue telling you all the information of apps that I really personally needed it for help. Okay, and I'm teaching and I'm training you. Yes, they do take time, but please, guys, be patient. If you really need the money, you can make the $200 or the $300. With all these surveys for 1 week, I made $650. Okay, bye guys.